Okay, so here's what the meal kit and the instructions look like. This is one of my favorite parts about HelloFresh. I love that they send you step-by-step instructions and fresh, pre-measured ingredients. You get almost everything you need, so it's impossible to mess up. They have so many delicious options to choose from, like ready-to-bake cookies, pre-cooked chicken breast for salad, incredible garlic bread, and so much more. Everything is also super customizable, so if you need to change a delivery day or skip a week, it's super easy to do that. I also love that HelloFresh is committed to giving back. They have donated over 4 million meals to charities in 2020, and they care about the environment too. Their packaging uses almost all recyclable or already recycled content, and they help reduce food waste by 25%. So as you can see in the clips, I'm just cooking away. It was so easy to follow along with the instructions, especially since they had pictures and everything. But like I said, it's just super fun, honestly, and I definitely love this. Like I said, because I live alone, so the food waste is minimized so much. So that was a huge plus for me, but honestly, overall, I absolutely loved cooking with HelloFresh, and also the cleanup was really quick too, which is always a bonus. Guys, this looks amazing. I'm so excited to try this. It smells so good. As you guys saw, it was so easy. It took me about 45 minutes to do this entire meal, and I'm gonna do a little taste test. I'm so excited. Wait, literally shut up. This is so good, you guys.